Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a common issue in everybody's car, a blur or haze windshield. So as you can see from outside the car, everything looks clean. But once you go inside the car, you can see a consistent foggy or haze blur that gets worse in the rain or at night. It's like the visibility through the glass is reduced, especially with glare or moisture. So I'm using the windshield wipe to wipe a few times. You can see it doesn't get any better. And then I'm gonna spray the water out on the windshield wiper to see if it gets better, but as you can see, it's pretty much the same. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys a step by step how to restore the clarity. Stay tuned. In here, I'm spraying some water out on the windshield. As you can see, the water beating up unevenly, staying on the surface, leaving visible streak and watermark behind. Essentially, it means this windshield is repelling the water instead of letting it spread and run off smoothly. First step, I'm going to use Windex to clean up this windshield and remove all the dirt, debris before I actually polish it. So I grab my Windex, spray over. You can still see all the water stains left on there. It's pretty dirty. It's really dirty. The glass is pretty dirty. Alright, so this is main purpose just to remove those dirt off the surface from the windshield. The next step, I'm going to use this compound containing cerium oxide to polish the front windshield. For a better results comparison, I think I'll just do half the windshield and you guys can see the difference between the left side and the right side. I'll be using a tape, just tape in the middle. That way you guys can see the difference. Alright, so I put a tape in the middle, and on one side I'll do the polish, the other side I'll keep as is. So it's better not to just get on your hand and you wear a protection glove. Now what I'm gonna do is to put the compound into this polish sponge. Get on the sponge. Now I'm just gonna rub into the glass, doing in circles, spread them out. Also try not to get this on your paint. Maybe they could have corrosion in your paint. That's what says on the instruction manual. So I mix a little bit with water, just trying to spread them out. Feels kind of dry, so you gotta mix with a little bit of water. Whew, now my arm is pretty sore. Let's change my left arm. I think this is pretty good. As you guys can see, the right side, the whole windshield is covered by the compound, and also I polished it, just use my hands. You know, if you have a machine, definitely you can use a machine to polish it, but in my case, you can always just use a hand. And then now I'm gonna rinse it off. Alright, so you can see all the compound that are being rinsed off. They also give me a sealant so I can just spray onto a microfiber and use this to mop the glass. The right side is pretty much air dried, and that's where I polished. Used a compound, spray some water, you can see the difference. This side that was not polished, and the right side is polished. Just did the other side on the windshield, and I'm gonna rinse it off to finish up the front windshield. All right, the whole front windshield is down, so you don't see any watermarks left on the front, but you can see I haven't done this side window. There are just a lot water stains left on there, but you compare to the front windshield, it's super clean. I'm gonna do another example for the passenger door window. Maybe you can see better because it's tinted. As you can see, I haven't done anything yet. I spray water, you can see a lot of water marks left on the window. And then I'm gonna use the polish to polish it. This time I'll only do on this section. And then I'll rinse it off to compare the results. All right, I think it's good enough. Damn, you see the difference? Wow, this is crazy. This is where I polished and used the compound, and the right side is I didn't do anything. I think the results is pretty obvious. All right, to make the results even better, this is where I'm gonna apply this sealant. Just leave it, let it air dry, and that comes with the best results. All right, here's a test. Pretend I'm driving at night. Basically, I put a flashlight in the front, and then I'm gonna close the garage door, so it's gonna be totally dark. I'm using this flashlight acting like another car's headlight driving towards me. So as you can see, you don't see the haze on the windshield anymore. This is definitely 100% better than previous, and I'm 100% recommend this product to all of you guys. So in my case, after I polish the window, I like to just wash the whole car. Just sometimes when you use this compound, when you splash from the windshield, it will just splash on your paint. And you don't want the paint to stay on your car, so I just do a car wash right after. Just rinsed up the whole car with soap. As you can see, the front windshield, absolutely, like there's no water marks. You can see some of them right here, but in the windshield, you don't see any water here. And you can compare to this side of the window, you can see there are a bunch of water marks left on there. But it's super clean on the front windshield. Alright guys, that's pretty much the end of this video. I'll leave the product in the description. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And make sure you guys go check out my other videos on YouTube. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time.